Hello, my name is Vinna and welcome to my vegan food channel, Vinna Cooks Best. In this video, I will be showing you how I create fried dumpling and ackee at home. When I was younger, growing up in a Caribbean household, we used to eat a lot of Caribbean type foods, and ackee and saltfish was something that we used to have as breakfast. I'm now vegan, so I don't eat saltfish. So what I decided to do is show you how I recreate this recipe using ackee but no saltfish. Enjoy!
In a bowl, sieve and mix together the flour, baking powder, salt and sugar. Add butter and mix using your fingers until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Begin to pour in the milk while mixing and stirring in a circular motion. The dough will start to resemble very coarse crumbs. Now add more milk and continue to gently mix until forming a soft dough. If the dough is too sticky, dust in a tablespoon of flour, but if the dough is too dry, add a little bit more milk and form together. To smooth the dough, knead until smoother. Now it's time to cut the dough into 4 to 6 pieces, depending on how big you want to make the fried dumplings or how small you want to make the fried dumplings, depends on the number of pieces that you'll have. Using your hands, roll each piece into balls, then flatten until each piece becomes into a disc shape. Now place on a floured surface. Now it's time to start frying. Using a pan on medium heat, add the oil until it reaches about 2 inches in depth. When the oil is hot, add each piece of dough to the frying pan. To a pan. Fry in hot oil until each side are golden brown. This should take about 30 to 40 seconds on each side. Now it's time to remove each fried dumpling and place on a paper towel. This will remove some of the grease because frying can cause a lot of grease in your food. So now we're going to create the vegan akee with no saltfish filler. We've got scallion, thyme, akee, onions, sweet peppers and some tomatoes. Using a pan on medium heat, add about 2 tablespoons of oil, and when the oil is hot, now add the onions, the scallions, sweet potatoes, tomatoes and thyme, and saute them until they soften, which should take about 2 to 3 minutes. Now gently stir and add in the akee for an extra 2 minutes. Also add salt and pepper to your taste. Akee is very delicate, so be very careful to not overcook it because it melts quickly. Cut each dumpling in half horizontally, fill with akee, and now it's time to eat and enjoy. Have a taste. To get the full recipe, see the link in the bio below. Please like, subscribe and hit the bell to be notified of new videos.